What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. And this is the moment you guys all have been waiting for. You guys have been asking me to do something different from a mid skin fade, from a mid high skin fade. So I'm bringing you guys my first ever low fade tutorial. Here I'm using my boy Drake. And I haven't been doing low fades like for tutorials because it was just bad timing. Like I couldn't get the camera set up in time for the haircut, or it was busy. Like I just couldn't, but I'm glad I finally got to do this on my day off and get it in for you guys. So before we start, I just wanted to say that my boy Drake, he does not get his hair styled in here because he doesn't like it styled. He just likes water on it and just comb to the side. He doesn't get a front line up, just the sides and hooks, just to get that out the way. So here I'm gonna be blending downwards using my Oster fast feeds. These are modified. These are my hitters right now. I love to blend with these, and I just get the job done really quick now, blending downwards with this technique that I'm going to show you guys, that I learned from Brandro from Fresh Cuts Daily City. This is the way he blends, so I just tried it and it worked. So first I make my initial guideline with my Oster fast feeds, and then I go back with my slimline, and then I hit it with the shaver as I'm doing right now. Next, I'm gonna hit it with a number 3 all the way, not to the top, but right where I want my blend to be, how far up I want it to be. So I'm gonna go with a number 3 on my wall guard. These are the cordless seniors with the wall premium guards. So in this haircut, my boy Drake got a haircut somewhere else because he was in Alaska and he just had to get it. He's in the military, so he had to get a cut because of regulation. So when he came in, his hair was like all over the place. It was all messed up. So I just hit it with some clip over comb to get all that long hair that's uneven. And then after 3 clip, I go to my fast feeds, number 2 guard, close. So this is the steps of blending downwards. So when I'm blending downwards, I don't really make a line or anything. I just try to envision where the fade is. Next, what's after number 2? It's number 1 guard open. So I'm going right below where I went with the number 2. Just be careful not to go into the number 2, but at the same time, don't go too low either. Moving on, what's after the 1 open? It's 1 close. So you see the steps that we're going through. We're just literally going down from the highest guard down to the lowest. So next I'm gonna hit it with the 0 guard close. After that, I'm gonna take off the guard, hit it with the no guard open, and honestly just blend out that bottom line without going too high into the blend. Just be very careful of that, not to go too high. And you're gonna do a lot of touch-up work with this technique, in my opinion. Like here you go with the half guard right after, and you just do touch-up work. You have to train your mind into seeing where that blend is, and practice makes perfect, right? Like, I know low fades are really hard when you're first starting out. It honestly still is hard for me if I approach with like a new client, a new head. Like not everyone's head is good for a low fade, but you gotta do what you have to do to make the client happy. So here I'm playing with the lever, going open and close to blend out that last line. As you can see, I'm almost done blending it out. I'm just playing with the half guard, no guard, and number 1 guard. Just playing with the lever. and seeing any dark spots that I have to eliminate. And then, like I said, he doesn't really get that much of a lineup because he doesn't like it, so he just likes just the hooks and the side. So I'm gonna let the music play on this part. I'm doing the same exact steps on this side, but just remember that on everyone's head the hair grows differently in 2 different ways. So if you guys have any questions, then put it in the comments below and I'll be glad to help. Stay tuned for the next steps that come up. I'm just gonna be trimming his hair down and thinning it out a little bit. I'm trimming it because it was so uneven from his last haircut that he got at the military spot, but it wasn't too bad, so I'm just thinning it out just so it's easy for him to style, because like I said, he doesn't want to style it too much. He just throws some water on there. So then he wanted a hard part, so I had to give him one. I like using my slim lines on here. This is my hitters, just because I feel like they don't miss any hair that you're trying to cut. Like, these hit so hard in my opinion. Well, I did sharpen them, but just in general, like I see a lot of barbers using the slim line, and it's cordless and it's small, and you can hold it in different ways. Like, you can't hold a lot of clippers how I hold it right here, like a pencil. Like, it's so useful. So if you guys don't have that, I really recommend you guys investing in it. Now I'm just gonna move on to the other side. Same thing with his lineup. So that's pretty much the end of the video, other than me razoring him. So if you guys want to stay and watch that, feel free to. And I just want to say thank you guys. I know I haven't been here to really post a lot of videos. It's been really busy at work, and I just haven't been grinding that much for you as of YouTube, but I have still been working a lot. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Hit the comment below. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, join the family. It's your boy John B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.